My people, I beg, make una sit down well. Right now, na about two Nollywood queens with the scatter cinema like thunderstorm. Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham. Their rivalry dey hot like fresh pepper soup, and they don't turn premier red carpet to battlefield. If you blink, you fit miss the Wahala o. So welcome to Inside Nollywood Wahala, Funke vs Toyin, the Untold story. Nollywood na industry wey dey produce film pass sachet water, but behind the glamour na serious competition. Funke Akindele aka Jennifer na box office machine. Anytime she drop film, cinema dey full like Sunday market. Toyin Abraham too no dey carry last o. Her movies dey trend. Her movies dey pull crowd. Dem dey make fans shout, but Nigerians love comparison. So anytime Toyin release film, dem go check Funke own, and anytime Funke release film, dem go check Toyin own. Na so rivalry dey begin dey cook like pot of egusi soup o. Now fast forward to Iyabo Ojo movie premiere. Red carpet dey shine, celebrities dey pose, paparazzi dey snap. Toyin Abraham waka go greet Funke Akindele. Everybody dey expect hug, smile, or maybe selfie. But Funke bone. She bone straight. She no answer. She snub am clean. Audience gasp. Internet explode. My people, na suspense wey sweet pass Nollywood script o. Hey, premiere wey suppose be glamour suddenly turn to Cold War. And within minutes, Twitter don turn courtroom. Some dey shout Funke too proud. Others dey say Toyin dey force friendship. Hashtags begin trend. You know, like Team Funke, Team Toyin. Even people wey never watch the films dey argue like say dem be film critics. Nigerians no dey carry last. Wahala dey sweet them past jollof rice. You know, Instagram bloggers dey drop hot takes. Facebook aunties dey analyze like say na PhD thesis. Hey, na premiere wey trend pass the movie itself. But wait first, this rivalry no start today. E don dey simmer for years. Fans dey always compare their box office numbers. You know, Funke drop Battle on Buka Street. Toyin drop Ijakumo. Funke drop A Tribe Called Judah. Toyin drop Malaika. Nigerians dey measure ticket sales like say na football scoreline. And because both actresses dey dominate cinema, competition dey natural. But sometimes competition dey turn to Cold War. Imagine premiere wey suppose be red carpet glamour suddenly turn to Nollywood audition. Cameraman sef dey confused. Should he snap or should he hide? Fans dey whisper, omo, na real life Jennifer drama we dey watch o. Even NEPA sef fit carry light at the climax just to add suspense. Hey, my people, na premiere wey go enter Nollywood history o. If dem fit sell ticket for that snub moment, cinema go full again. Funke Akindele dey gather empire. She dey produce, she dey direct, she dey act, and she dey break records. Toyin Abraham dey push her own brand as well. She dey hustle, she dey inspire fans. Both of them dey represent strong women wey dominate Nollywood. But ego dey, pride dey, and gossip dey. So sometimes colleagues dey add pepper to the rivalry. Sometimes fans dey exaggerate, and before you know, small misunderstanding don turn to headline gist. Now imagine two queens of Nollywood dey inside same hall. Camera dey roll. Toyin waka go greet Funke bone. Audience gasp. Internet explode. My people, na suspense wey pass Netflix series o. Nigerians love am because e get pepper, e get drama, e get pride, and na so hashtags begin trend. Even people wey never watch the films dey argue like say dem be film critics. Hey, na wahala wey sweet audience but dey pepper the actresses o. But beyond the laugh, rivalry dey show say Nollywood na human industry. Actors they hustle, them they protect brand, them they fight for spotlight. Sometimes ego D, sometimes gossip D. Funke they guard her empire. Toyin self they guard her own, and fans they amplify them with hashtags, memes, and hot takes. Now so Wahala they grow. Who never fight with friend before? Who never vex for colleague? Nollywood just the amplify ham with Snub, trend, and social media courtroom. So now I beg, may we laugh small. Nigerians a bit turn serious matter to comedy. Meme creators no waste time at all. Within hours, they don't Photoshop Funke and Toyin into WWE ring. Some they had soundtrack, Stone Cold entrance music. Others they caption them when your rival greets you, but they in the mood. My people, Nigerians they creative past Hollywood script writers. Even Premier Snub don't turn meme festival now, Abi. Now, if you dey search YouTube for Nollywood gist, celebrity gist, Lagos drama, or Premier Snub, now here you go land because this channel they give you everything. Nollywood rivalry, celebrity clash, Lagos gist, entertainment wahala, and funny commentary. We go make you subscribe sharp. I beg no just wash. Smash that like button, drop comment and share with your paddy them because gist where they sweet, na gist where they spread So what thing go happen next? Will Funke and Toyin reconcile? Will another premiere turn to Snub sequel? Or will cinema box office battle continue like El Clasico? My people, suspense they hang like NEPA wire, but one thing sure, Nollywood gist no dey finish. Tomorrow another Wahala go trend and we go dey here to yarn am with laugh, with pepper, with video star. We go make you shout omo na real life fame. Now here we go pause today's video. If you enjoy am, abeg subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment. Who you dey support? Is it Team Funke or Team Toyin? Make we continue the gist for comment section because Nollywood Wahala dey sweet past Netflix series. Till next time, I remain your guy wey dey give you gist wey hot like Amala with a way do. Peace out.